This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, April 22nd. I'm Marche Bird. Today is our first day back from spring break. We hope everyone had a nice holiday. Before the break, some Commodore teams were in action. In tennis, both the boys and girls maintained unbeaten records in the Eastern District with 9-0 wins over Wilson. In baseball, Maury dropped his first game of the season, falling to Granby 3-1. The JV team lost by the identical score. The Commodores closed out Thursday with wins over Salem in soccer. The girls won 8-0 while the boys won 1-0. On Friday, the baseball team lost its second in a row, 8-5 to Churchland. We've got to stop that streak. The softball team also fell to the Truckers 17-1. Maybe it was spring fever. Now here's Jalen in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Marche. Today there's only one game on the schedule, and that's the softball team, who will travel to Salem for a game with the Sun Devils. Game time is 4 p.m. Tomorrow, the schedule is a lot busier as the boys and girls track teams will be in action at the Eastern District Track Meet, number 3 at Wilson High School. Races begin at 3 p.m. The tennis teams battle the Norcom Greyhounds. The girls play at Norcom while the boys play here at Maury. Matches begin at 3:30. The baseball team looks to get back on the winning track against Lake Taylor. Game time is 4 p.m. at Lake Taylor. Finally, the boys and girls soccer teams host Norview at Powhatan Field. The girls play at 5 p.m. followed by the boys at 7. As always, we'll have scores for you on Wednesday. Back to you, Marche.
Thanks, Jalen. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's your update for Monday, April 22nd. I'm Marche Bird. We'll see you on Wednesday.
This has been a Commodore News Update.